All right. Go spit. Still alive. I'm on my grind. Nigga, you lying. Nigga, you lying.
Oh yeah, oh boy, this shit bang.
I'm on my grind. Pussy overpower, nigga, you lying. It's money overpower, I'm on my grind. Pushing packs all the time. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind. Pussy overpower, nigga, you lying. It's money overpower, I'm on my grind. Pushing packs all the time. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind. I'm really at the paper, I'm on the money mission. I'm really at the paper, I gotta get it, nigga. I'm chasing all these checks for my family, nigga. I'm chasing all these racks, I need some Benjis, nigga. I'm grinding for that back and gotta keep some Zaza packs in. I got a couple 20s, but I need 100 Jackson. I got a couple fronted cause these pussy niggas taxing. I got a couple 100 rounds if you think I'm lacking. I'm on my grind, I'm on my grind. Ain't no need in asking. I want it all, I want it all. Please don't ask no questions. These niggas lying, that's why I keep that maxin'. These niggas lying, that's why I keep it I'm blessing. On my grind. Pussy overpower, nigga, you lying. It's money overpower, I'm on my grind. Pushing packs all the time. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind. Pussy overpower, nigga, you lying. It's money overpower, I'm on my grind. Pushing packs all the time. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind.
I'm on my grind, trying to stay away from sales and doing time. Niggas always lying on my line. If I was blood, I would put this shit on shine. I got a son, so you know that baby shine. I got the bread, so you know I hold the line. You niggas tell it, I'm starting to think you're 69. Kick flip, push, I'm on my grind. I got a bad bitch with me, so you know I wine and dine. I'd rather have a premium contract than a prime, like Amazon. I'm on my grind. I stack and flip like a boss, more like a dime. Yeah, I'm the one, like LeBron, the chosen one.
Pussy overpower, nigga, you lying. It's money overpower, I'm on my grind. Pushing packs all the time. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind. Pussy overpower, nigga, you lying. It's money overpower, I'm on my grind. Pushing packs all the time. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind.
Oh boy, you ain't dumb on this one.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the recap with Let Cash Accumulate Over Days. Today is Thursday. You already know. What a day today. June 15th, you guys. The market is bullish right now. Looks like Twitter's down or something right now. I was trying to show you guys what the industry's closed like, but we'll get to that in a second here. Before we go any further, this is recap coverage from the stock and crypto market. These are live ideas of thought and study. This is not financial advice on this stream or with this company. So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, whoa, uh-oh. It's a celebration right now, you guys, across the globe. If you understand, if you're digging what I'm saying here. And the market, you guys, is extremely bullish, man. The data, it looks like it has digested, and, you know, they understood what it meant. Jerome Powell set it off here this week. And, yeah, man, it's been like that. You know, the market is up here. The rate hike decision did this. You know, CPI inflation had a lot to do with it. All the data, man, it always match up. It always match up in the end. And at the end of the day, that's what moves the market. That's what keeps things going. You know, that's what makes people profitable, you guys, overall. Money make the world go round. This is it. And it's going around right now. I'm telling you, y'all. I'm telling you, the market just rallied today. It was a bull market. Everything went up. If you've been checking the recaps out, LCAOD, it has been correct here. It's really just been happening for real. So it ain't really nothing to really be worried about now, I guess you can say. You just got to be looking forward to further future references, looking further. And that's just what we're focused on now. Targets have been completed today. That's what's going on right now, you guys. That's the excitement around the globe. Targets got completed today, and it's a lot more that's about to continue to happen. Don't think this is it. Don't feel FOMC, left out, fear of missing out. Don't feel that. But like I said, opportunities. People been waiting for quite a while, and people still waiting. So it's a lot still going on, obviously. But let's sum it up here. The S&P 500, NASDAQ rally for a 6th straight day as traders hope Fed's rate hiking cycle is nearly over. The 30 stock Dow added 428 points, 73 points, y'all, or 1.26% to close at 34,408.6. The S&P 500 climbed 1.22% to finish the session at 4,425.84, while the NASDAQ composite gained 1.15% to close at 13,782.82. Bond yields were lower, while tech stocks continued to lead the market upswing, in line with the trend on Wall Street in 2023, you guys. So, yeah, man. LCAOD, let cash accumulate over days. We've been saying this here all along, and it's really just starting to happen. Manifestation, that's really what's taking place right now, you guys. And like I said, the market is going up. It's just gonna continue going up here. It really doesn't have a choice at this point with this data that just came out this week. But we're still looking at data this week. It is data coming out tomorrow. Consumer sentiment on Friday, so be on the lookout for that. Tomorrow's still a key day. Obviously, the party's not over. It's just an early celebration right now. It's just Friday Junior going on right now, you guys. That's all you're seeing. It was a bull run today, you guys. It was crazy. Unlimited contracts, unlimited gains all day. It was going crazy. That's what happened. So that's what's going on. Completely bullish. We're about to get into the charts and numbers. Do want to show y'all a couple contracts here. This LCAOD. If you're checking the recaps out, you see, hit that like and subscribe button too if you could. There's a dislike button you could also hit. Just tap in and tune in. But at the end of the day, we're looking at companies here as you see the titles. Netflix. This is free game as well. Netflix. You know what I'm saying. We was looking at Netflix all week. Alibaba. We've been looking at all week. And these plays are really hitting, you guys. Alibaba right here. Here's a call right here. Clientele added and sent this in, and Darren said, man, they said, shout out to LCAOD. Shout out to LCAOD. That's what we at. That's what we're doing now. Up 300% here. And that was 4 days ago. He brought in there, so it was real. It's been real here, you guys. It's real. These are real games, you know what I'm saying? It's free game here. Alibaba, like I said, has been a call-out name, and it's hitting that target. It has hit that target. That's the payout right now. More than likely going to close that in the morning or has closed. We'll get the confirmation shortly. We'll know later on, as a company. So, but Alibaba right there, play hit for sure. Another play here. Google, you guys. Google didn't hit. It was a put play. But as I always tell y'all, when I send out the free games to my clients here, when I send y'all these plays, you got to be looking at the other side as well. If the put is dead, then the call was hitting. So you got to be understanding that. You know what I'm saying? But it's okay. You're not going to win them all, obviously. But it starts to build up as common sense when you see that contract really going down and the other side really going up. Google's at 124, you guys. So Google's not going down. Remember, they're AI too as well. So, actually, we know the targets. If you've been watching the recap, we've been calling out the upside targets too on Google. So, no worries there. It's okay. Still got time. Everything's okay. Netflix, well, whoa. This play hit. Well, this play been, oh my. Netflix is, I don't even know at this point with this Netflix thing. Like, they are just, they're just, the movies are wonderful, man. The movies are wonderful. I think they're about to join the AI media maniac stuff. I don't know. But Netflix, you guys, they're another animal right now. Like, they're aping. They're gorillas. They're going crazy. They're right here at these targets, where people weren't even really expecting this until probably like the end of the summer. Geez, but now we're already here, started the summer. So just imagine where that is signaling. Yeah, we can get really high over here at Netflix now. So, but this is a 4-day play, you guys. This is this week. Obviously, I've been telling clients that I got other clients holding August contracts right now, 450. So it's a lot of stuff going on. Netflix is really that strong right now, where it really is hitting these targets. You guys, a lot of people are buying into it. That password sharing thing is really, making investors feel like, we actually can, buy in more now because our grandma or our uncle or auntie or our children are not using our accounts on Netflix. Like, they're really wiping that out. So that's really making the stock price really go higher right now. And, I think it's got a lot more room to run here considering where it's at now, and it's so sudden, Netflix. But this is a play, another winner this week, you guys. Definitely going to be a winner by tomorrow at this point. No doubt about it. Either way it goes at this point. But, yeah. And another one, last but not least, the SPY. Of course, we had to get in on everything. So the SPY, you know what I'm saying? This play hit. Little $100 or $125 to $792 right now, you guys. The SPY is really printing. That's everything. That's the whole U.S. large cap stocks. That's all that is. That's what the SPY is, basically. So that's really going up. Everything's going up, you guys. That's what's making the market rally. That's what's going up. That's where the money's at right now. And as that continues, things are going to get higher. But, people will start taking profits, and there will be more consolidation. Don't get it twisted. Everything doesn't just go straight up in this market if you're new to this. And just like everything doesn't go straight down as well. So remember, what goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. So it'll be a lot of trickery here. Trick, trap, fool, frustrate crew trying to, you know how it's going to get if you've already been in it for a while. But if you're new to it, be prepared for that. It's a lot of excitement right now. You're really just seeing a lot of celebration, and like I said, you're going to see a lot of profit taking as well. This is these type of games right here will be cashed out. So let's sum it up. Is that let's get into the charts and numbers, y'all. But that's pretty much what happened today, you guys, in the market. The market is a bull market right now. It's running here to the upside. It's rallying. There's no stopping it. There's no resistance right now. So, yeah, that's what's going on. Adobe earnings happened too, y'all. Oh, we're going to look at that here in a second. Adobe, y'all. Remember I was telling y'all about that. Adobe. That's all I can say. Adobe. The Twitter's back here. We got the Twitter back here. Before we get into the charts and numbers, I want y'all to check out the Twitter. And if you can, follow @LetCash. You'll be updated with free game and the indices opening or pre-market and the indices closing. That's very key if you're investing. You should know that. But the indices closed today, bullish. Bull market right now. That's what's going on. You see that's what's happening. That's the vibe. That's what the image is. You should be getting it here. We're about to look at the charts and numbers. Let's go. Bull market. Bull market. Starting with the SPY. SPY. SPY, y'all. Now I see air. Oh, pipe down, bro. You gotta chill, bro. 441, man. 441. Wow. I get the excitement now. 441 closed. 442 looks like actually here. So look at the drawings here. This is where LCAOD drew on the recap yesterday. Hit that like, subscribe button. You can check that out. But drew this out yesterday. Literally today here with that same exact instinct. If you see, it's like a mimic or a pattern, but it really happened. So SPY right here, you guys. Knew that. LCAOD expected that. Knew that, of course. You know, we look at it from both perspectives every day, obviously, Monday through Thursday. And Sunday, you get a recap special. And that's where we at right now, 441 on the SPY. So this is extremely bullish, you guys. You got to really start looking, zooming out on the chart. When in doubt, zoom out on the charts. When in doubt, zoom out on the charts. For sure, zoom out here on the SPY. The all-time high for the SPY now is 471 because now you got to start thinking about this. The market can really start to get back to all-time highs now at this point. You know, the market has been going up since the end of last year around October and September. The market hasn't really been down since then. So you really now got to start really thinking like, okay, even if it doesn't matter if you're just one animal in the market and you're bearish, you got to put your pride to the side. You got to put the ego to the side. You got to really pay attention to the charts and numbers now. It's getting critical to the point where you could really be in a lot of debt doing this. So that's why you need to be cautious doing this. So you don't want to be trading on the wrong side right now or investing this in the wrong things right now in general, because it's a specific category that's making the SPY go up in the overall market. And as you know, big tech, AI, etc. And there's another half of the market is waiting for it to go higher, but they're waiting on the cycle to continue as far as banks and, you know, these hedge funds to get involved. Once they get involved, you guys, is really going to be really higher than what you're starting to see right now. So you really got to start looking at 5 years out on this chart on the SPY, you guys, because it can really start to push and make a new all-time high pattern here and get way above. You can see SPY 500 by 2024, literally at this point, because you got to understand the election is coming up as well next year. All that stuff is about to really take place. And, you know, Biden look like he's trying to stay in office. So he's going to try to keep things the best, keep everybody happy right now, it looks like. And, you know, you never know. Things may flip here. We still could be topping out. It could be consolidating. We don't know. But as of now, the chart is signaling upside. You should be preparing for more upside. And that's what they're telling you as far as economic data as well. So you should be looking at all that closely and making it make sense to you. So from the one-day perspective here on the SPY, you guys, tomorrow I'm looking at Friday close expiration. The SPY upside levels here, 444 break here. That breaks your next level is 445. The target all along has been 450 on the SPY. So be on the lookout for that coming soon, whether it's tomorrow, next week. Week after that, SPY is trying to get the 450 now. That is your next key level of resistance. You're not going to really see any until that gets on the board. So until you see that share price, if that makes sense. Be looking out for that on the upside levels to the SPY. Downside, though, we could be topping out, obviously. Definitely could be topping out. I mean, you know, looking at it from both ways here, the market could be really like everybody could be sold by tomorrow. And it is Friday, so it wouldn't shock me. So if this is your top here, the downside level I'm looking at is 440 here. If that doesn't hold, if that breaks below, then you know the next downside level should be about 438.50 to 437.90. That's what we doing. Check out the recap from yesterday. Still got everything written right here. Summer target still 386 on the triple Qs. It said 370 now. So by the end of the summer, you can really expect the triple Qs to, now that they hit 370 today, their summer target by the end of the summer is 386. You may see that before the end of the summer. At this point, at the rate that they're going now, you may see that before. But guaranteed by the end of the summer, for sure, you can, 386 is the next target here. Triple Qs is extremely bullish. They have really been leading this rally. They started it. They started the rally. Now let's look back. We got to start thinking back. Who started this? Who started this mess? Who started this upside mania? Triple Qs did. They're at 370, you guys. That is a lot of equity. That's why Netflix is high. That's why Nvidia is high. That's why Microsoft's high. That's why Google's getting higher. Amazon is getting higher. Apple, etc. You should get the picture now. This is the triple Qs. They're going crazy. So 386 is the summer target. Be on the lookout for that to the upside. But from the one-day perspective, tomorrow, you guys, it just looks like the triple Qs need to hold above 370, and the next level is 374 to 375. That'll be the next close target by possibly tomorrow, next week. You know, that's what they're looking for next first before the summer target being 386, obviously. So be on the lookout. You know, triple Qs, honestly, they can really just go straight to 386 at this point. It's really up to them, but you just need to be watching these levels. It's coming. That's the upside. To the downside, though, definitely could be topping out here. You might see some profit taking soon. So it might consolidate, but 370 break below here. The next level to the downside is 368. If that don't hold, you'll see the triple Qs right back at 366, and that'll be your bottom there for the short time period until they figure out what they got going on, because they're not going to just let the market reverse at this point like that sudden without some type of bad news. So you get what I'm saying, figure it out. It'll consolidate. It'll be your near bottom. Them are the levels I'm looking out for. DIA, the Dow Jones. Oh my gosh, everything is going up. This is incredible. Drawings are correct. We're going to race them. Check out the recap. You feel me? You'll see why the drawings are right there. Upside level tomorrow, DIA, 348. And, you know, their target all along has been 347. So, you know, if they break above that and get to 348, I think it'll really consolidate and chill here, and it'll stay up. And then the next target is 350 on the DIA to the upside. The DIA to the downside could be topping out, or may want to just pull back for a little bit of consolidation because of profit taking. You just never know. Look at it from both perspectives. Be respectful. And have an open mind when you're doing it. So to the downside, obviously 342. Yeah, that don't hold. Next level is 340 to the downside. I think you will see consolidation there before it break down at 340. The next level is 337 to the downside, though. That'll give the Bears a little bit of their momentum back, hopefully, to the downside. But we'll be looking out for both levels, of course, going into tomorrow and the next week. IWM. 186.91. It looks like the IWM is your lagger here. So remember, this is small caps anyway, though. So it's like, example, companies like GME, AMC, you know, Snapchat. You got your little penny stocks, those little small companies like that. So this is really, honestly, these are the companies, IWM, you want to long it, you know, because these are the companies that can really make a move that you know about. I mean, you do this stuff, you see this stuff every day. Some of this stuff that's in the IWM, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, if everything's going up, obviously they're going up as well. Their all-time high is $240. So if the IWM even thinks about reaching 200 again, you'll bet your dollars there that all the small cap stocks are going up, right back up. So it's just something that, you know, the overall, you know, if you like to, you know, invest smart, and small caps is really the way to go. It's the safest, put it that way. It's the lowest risk in the market. So small caps looking at that still too, IWM. But they look like they lagging though. They not really going up with the SPY, the triple Qs and the Dow. So you know, be looking out for, you know, both sides obviously, but could easily steal their target tomorrow. Upside level hit 190. That's the target. That's the upside level. That's where LCAOD is expecting and looking out for IWM. To the downside, this could be your top, you know. So 185 here to the downside, you guys, and next level below that is 182.60, and you should see consolidation because they ain't gonna let it just get out of hand with so much bullish momentum. We're in a bull market. You gotta understand that now. Things have changed and transitioned. So that probably will be your near bottom right there on the IWM. VIX the VIX, volatility, speed of the market. Let's get into it. The VIX. Okay, here. So let me see from the year to date. See what candle here did it put in the market. Volatility. The VIX. And the VIX, you guys, if you're new to this, I apologize. Sorry, let me explain what that is. It's the speed of the market. It's the direction of the market. It's everything. The VIX is the volatility of the market, you guys. It's what's causing the havoc. It's what's giving the direction. That's what the VIX is. So if you're new to it, you're tuned in, that's what it is. And I'm just trying to see right here. I'm leveling out to see what I put in yesterday to see where it's at. Now, it looks like it did do expected what I thought it could do by staying the same. It looks like the volatility really didn't change. But as far as the overall market, they weren't having it. They went up today regardless. But the VIX kind of didn't do anything. It just kind of put a green bar and consolidated and stayed the same. So honestly, the overall market, you guys, like I said, there could be profit taking tomorrow due to it's Friday or soon, or there could be more buying possibly, and because the VIX really didn't do nothing today. Honestly, the market went up, so looks like the market can still go either way from here, as every day. So just expect that. You know, volatility, like I said, this is what is really controlling everything. So we're looking at the VIX tomorrow, you guys. Upside levels. If the VIX is up, remember, if you're new to this, I'm just explaining this for people that's new. But, you know, if you already know what's going on, you know, if the VIX is up, the market is down. If the VIX is down, the market is up. So if the VIX go up tomorrow and give you a green candle back to 15 dollars on the VIX, you should see a little bit of pullback, a little profit taking on the market. Expect that, you guys. That's just what the levels I'm looking out for the upside. Now, the volatility actually can spike higher than that, and if you do, it'll just be a harder sell-off. So be expecting a 15 break above, and then you expect a harder sell-off. But to the downside on the VIX, obviously, volatility is leaving the market. The fear is leaving the market. Nobody's scared of anything right now. Everybody's buying. And that's making the market go up here. That's what's making the VIX go down. So to the downside, the levels I'm looking out for tomorrow, you guys, if the VIX go back down to about $13.50, you thought you saw a rally today. No. You're going to get your rally actually on Friday. So be looking out for that level to the downside of the VIX, you guys. Netflix. Oh, Netflix. Here you go, the beast. So 444 close. It looks like 445.27 close. Netflix, their target all along has been 450, as I said. You seen the contract here. So you know what's going on here. You know, it's real. It's real out here. It's really surreal out here. So Netflix is going up. You gotta really look like I said, when in doubt, 5 years out. When in doubt, zoom out. 5 years out. You know, look at the Netflix chart here. The next target obviously is now 460. You know, at this point, and I'm saying 460 because their earnings report is until July 17th. So they can hit 460 by that time or on that date of the earnings, either or at this point. With this much momentum, so be looking out for that. Upside levels, you know, you guys, it's at 445 here. So tomorrow, just be expecting I'm looking for a break above 448 this time. Go ahead and take it to 452 here to the upside on Netflix. I think they could have broke 450 today, but it got rejected at 448.76. So it could be waiting to just possibly do it tomorrow because they're probably going to go up a little bit higher than 450 at this point. That's how I'm seeing it. So about 452, the upside levels I'm looking at for Netflix tomorrow. To the downside, you guys, definitely though, if you see 441 to 440, start preparing there for profit taking, and if that flushes there, the next level to the downside is 437. You'll probably see consolidation. It'll stop. It'll be your bottom. And then they'll figure out what they got going on because, like I said, it's a bull market, and you're not going to just take that from them in one day unless there's some tremendous, terrible news. So keep that in mind. That's the levels there, upside and downside. Google. Google is at 125.09. Google, old Google, your good old Google market capitalization is 1.593 trillion. They're screaming out they're still cheap AI right now. And, you know, you got to, when in doubt, zoom out. You know, so Google can go up about 150. That's their all-time high. They're at 125 right now. So, looking like they're really about to project that. So, I'll be longing Google right now. Obviously, they have the bag. Ben had the bag. And, you know, it's going to be a time and place for all their people to escape the bag, if that makes sense. So, you don't got to be involved, but, you know, you do got to know when they about to make you fall, if that makes sense. So just be alert for Google. Definitely, you know, about to really make a push here to the upside because they're discounting right now. You know, once everybody starts to realize it, you'll see the numbers get higher. So next target here to the upside tomorrow I'm looking out for is 128 on Google here. That's the level. That's what the Bulls want. That's what they need. That breaks. Next level is 130 here to the upside on Google, you guys. Coming soon. Either tomorrow, like I said, next week, week after that, month after that, it's coming. The upside levels. Downside levels, this could be a top, and you know, it got to pull back to prove that. So 123.50 would be the first signal. If that don't hold, the next level is 122.70 to the downside. And you may see consolidation here and a flush to 120, and that will be your bottom at Google there. They're not going to, like I said, just flip it back to bear market this sudden after this type of rally this week after that much data that just came out, if that makes sense. So it's a bull market right now. That will probably be your bottom at Google, 120. So be on the lookout for that level. Alibaba, China. Good old China. Remember, this is a China company, and they're the Amazon over there in China. What we call Amazon, that's where Alibaba is to China. So be on the lookout for Alibaba in the future, you know, because they're right now at a discount, and they like to climb to these highs right here in this range. Alibaba can really go to about 120, no exaggeration here, and it's at $92 now. So, you know, at the beginning of the year, they were at 120. Let's put it that way. So they can easily, with the overall market starting to push higher, Alibaba can really get up there now. You know, showing signs that they're above $90 now. They're above their target. And, you know, so we're looking at it from both perspectives. But from the one-day perspective, you guys, the upside level I'm looking out for Alibaba tomorrow is a break above this 92 level and hit the target at $94 and see if it rejects or if it keeps going to about 97, because then that'll be a real resistance area at that point. But that's the upside levels I'm expecting on Alibaba coming soon. China. That's the upside level. To the downside, you know, it could go either way. Alibaba could be topping out. It may not want to test 94 yet. I understand. I get it. It's a lot of profit going on right now. I get that. There's going to be some profit taking, some selling going on tomorrow. So to the downside, $90. If that don't hold, next level is $89, $88, $88.70. Right there. That'll be your bottom, $88.70 on Alibaba, China to the downside. And that's it right there. That's all we've been looking at this week at LCAOD. Free game, free plays. But Adobe did have earnings. Remember, we've been talking about Adobe all week. And Adobe had earnings, you guys. They went up after hours. They did go up here in 508 close. They hit 516 in the after hours. Adobe is still looking strong. When in doubt, zoom out. 5 years out. They were at $710. It looks like Adobe is triggering, like I said, new all-time highs, or at least back to all-time highs like the overall market. Adobe is an AI stock too. They've been going crazy the past month. Straight up here, you guys. Straight up. So, yeah, gotta look out for Adobe in the future. But, yeah, that's pretty much it, man, for the week. And remember, we're going to have another recap on Sunday night. We're gonna have some new information going on over the weekend. What to expect next? What's gonna happen next week? You know how we do at LCAOD. But it's been a profitable week this week. It's been a blessing this week, for real. No lie, man. It's been real. Tomorrow's the wrap up. It's the expiration day. The weekend is here. I smell it. It's Friday, Junior. Update on the overall market, though. What direction do members feel the stock market will be in the next 6 months? Update. Oh, bullish, 45.2%. Neutral, 32.1%. Bearish, 22.7%. Wow. It seems as those bears have gone now. This market has completely flipped. Everybody's back in buying. It's bullish in the next 6 months. This is what the sentiment surveys released. It looks like that's real. That's real. So we're going to see tomorrow how it closes out for the weekend, but it's looking like bullish, you guys. Wow. That's an amazing update right there. So stock futures are, hold up, let's get the update on the futures now, and then we're going to wrap it up. That's it. It's about to, like I said, it's about to be a Friday Junior, man. But wow, that is crazy. That's huge. Just was actually talking about that with a family member. That's wild. So really, that's a crazy update. Stock futures slip, but Wall Street looks towards winning week. That's the update. That is the update right there. Mediterranean restaurant China Kava stock soars as much as 117% in market debut. Wow, they just got in the market and up 117%. Whoa, we're going to check in on that here. Let's see what they got going on. But that's it, man. Stock futures slip, but Wall Street looks toward winning week. That's the headline right now. So we'll see how things open up in the morning, how they close tomorrow. But I'll see y'all with another recap Sunday night. This was the recap of the SPY QQQ's DIA, IWM, VIX, Netflix, Google, Baba with LCAOD. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. I hope y'all have a wonderful Friday. I'll see y'all Sunday. Peace out. It's crazy.